How to duplicate blocks in Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can duplicate blocks in Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, on the page, by the top part of the screen, you will see the edit icon. Ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the page where you can edit your site where you want to. The next thing for you to do is to select the block that you want to duplicate. All right, for me, I'll be selecting this calendar because that is what I want to make a duplicate of. So once you select it by clicking on it this way, a menu will be displayed at the top part of the screen. Just select next to the recycle bin. You will see the copy icon. You also see move backward, align vertically, and then edit. Select the duplicate icon. Once you click on it, the block will be duplicated automatically. So you can just move it to confirm this way. As you can see, the block has been duplicated. Then once that is done, click on the save icon located at the top right corner of your screen here, and then your changes will be saved automatically. So this is how you can duplicate blocks on Squarespace. Thanks for watching.